Hello guys, welcome to your last HTML tutorial. Today we are going to be considering videos and audios. We are going to be learning how to add videos and audios to your site. So let's get started. So forget about this. This is just our topic showing here. So to add audio or video, we use the new tag that's present in Html5, audio tag and video tag. So let's start with audio. I have some audio here in my joke song. So these are the audios. Let me show you right here. Song, joke. We are going to be adding these 2 files to our site. So let's get started. Alright, to add audio controls right here, then close it. Oh, no light here. Alright, now you put your source. Source src equal, you write the name of the file. In our own, it is what? Song with the extension, which is mp3. Then put the type of file, type equals audio, right? Audio slash mp3. Alright, let's save this and see. Here is our audio. Let's play. Alright, that's audio. Now let's add video. To add video is the same thing, so let's just copy this, but you're going to be changing the audios to video. So let's copy this and paste it below. Now you change this control, this audio here, to video. So our extension is actually, name of this source, name of our file is joke, and this is going to be video. Then this is going to be mp4. Yours can be different actually. mp4. Alright, let's save this and refresh. Here is our video.
Yeah, you have that right. What's a grammatical term for continuous action?
Past participle.
What?
Past participle.
Alright, so now this control here, if you want your video to start when you just open your site, you can just put autoplay here. So when you save your music, your audio just starts when you refresh. Alright, that's it guys. So I will see you guys in the next class, which will be introduction to CSS. We are going to be doing everything CSS, creating site, making buttons, correcting everything. And after CSS, maybe JavaScript. Alright, see you guys in the next tutorial.